This is not harsh noise wall core. This is flies core.
This is not harsh noise wall core. This is ambient wall core.
With nothing in it.
So...
I think I put a singular dirt block in there one day.
You did. You absolutely did.
You did.
That's so harsh noise wall core.
we were just yelling Skulk over and over.
Yeah,
that's so funny. That's so funny.
It's so harsh noise wall core.
It's so funny. It's hilarious.
Harsh noise wall core.
Nothing.
Edison,
I said nothing.
Skulk.
Oh my! Why are you so mean?
We're not mean. We just tell you the truth.
Mean. We're just harsh.
Noise wall core.
Bro, this wall is so harsh.
Noise wall core.
Bro, imagine if that wall was harsh and made noise.
Is it
Guess
like
the parents by my cat.
And they're core like an apple. I don't know.
Is it cored like an apple? Hey man, that's pretty harsh on yourself.
Don't be so harsh on yourself. Is that harsh noise wall core?
Is that a harsh noise wall reference? Nah, I'll be singing I'll be saying noises.
Noises? Like, it's getting to me.
Noises?
Hi.
They're pretty harsh, right?
How harsh would you consider your noises?